In this video, I'll show you how to rename the Back to Blog button in Shopify Dawn theme. As you can see in this example, the button is located at the very bottom of the blog post page, so in order to rename it, we need to make changes to the theme language settings. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now look for your current theme, in my case is Dawn, then select three dots, then click on the Edit Default Theme Content. Once the page loads, at top right corner, click on Search and Filter, and then in Search type the following: Back to Blog. Under Articles, look for the Back to Blog section, and that's where you can make the change. Let's change it from Back to Blog to Return to Blog. Now let's save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to the blog post page and try refreshing it. Okay, let's take a look, and as you can see, the button now says Return to Blog, and this change will be reflected in other blog post pages. Let's take a look at another blog post. Let's open this one. Yeah, as you can see, here's the change. So as usual, I hope you found the short video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.